A bug-out bag is essential for surviving the critical first 72 hours of an emergency. This cache of supplies is your immediate lifeline, designed for rapid departure. It is a vital tool in surviving unpredictable predicaments, such as earthquakes, floods, or societal upheaval. Its importance lies in preparation, self-sufficiency, and ensuring personal safety during unexpected crises like natural disasters or civil unrest. Immediate response. A bug-out bag ready at hand allows swift action when calamity hits, saving invaluable time. This survival pack is designed with all your needs in mind. It holds essentials needed when public services and supplies are cut off. Containing vital items like water filters, food, first aid kits, and materials for shelter, it ensures your safety and security. With its compact design, it provides easy mobility, facilitating quick evacuation to safety. It even includes comfort items to counteract stress, fostering mental robustness. Mental well-being includes items for comfort and stress relief, supporting mental and emotional health in crises. Let's take a quick look at what you need in your bug-out bag. Key contents: water, food, shelter, clothing, health supplies, tools, navigation, documents. Regularly refresh your bug-out bag. Rotate perishables, modify clothing as per season, restock used supplies. Know your items for effective use when necessary. Conclusion: a bug-out bag is more than a survival kit. It's a lifeline during emergencies. It embodies your readiness for unexpected challenges. Prepared correctly, a bug-out bag boosts resilience and aids in managing unexpected situations effectively. Putting together a well-stocked bug-out bag takes some thought and time. Be sure to focus on the crucial elements you anticipate you will need in an emergency. For additional resources and information, visit preparemagazine.com. You will find excellent guides to help you in creating your bug-out bag and helping you get prepared.